Welcome back, everybody. Apologize for the wind noise in the background here. We went from snow season to wind season. So a few weeks back, I put out a little poll to see what you guys wanted me to rebuild next. Got a Yamaha, a couple of old Trail 55s, some old US 90s, but the winner was an ATC250R. So the snow finally melted, and I think it is time to get this thing out of here and see what we're working with. Look at this. This is just a beauty. This is just fantastic. But the good thing is, most of the expensive stuff is here. I think we're gonna pull this thing into the garage and see if we can get this thing running. Have to use a little machinery here. All right. Here we go. We're back on rails. Okay, well, one bad finding here. This thing did turn over freely before I parked it for this winter, but now she's seized up. Dang. Well, I think I'll take the spark plug out, throw a little oil down there and see what's going on. Hopefully we don't have too big of a problem on our hands here. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Well, while that piston is soaking in some oil, let's take a look around this thing and assess how beautiful this is. Decent muffler. Oh, a little bit of a dingus there. I wonder if I can pull that out or not. We will find out. Rear shock. Well, that's cool. It's got a little external air reservoir here for it. Slick. Drum brake on the rear on these early ones. Chain has seen better days. I've seen worse. Frame looks nice and solid, so that's good. What else? Carburetor's fine. Missing the air box. It's got this little doohickey on there. I'll have to hunt for one of those. Got the electronics. This is all seized up. Well, that's no good. I don't think you're supposed to be able to do this with your brake reservoir. This is fantastic. Just fantastic. Okay, so we got a little bit of oil down here. I think just give it a kick and see if we can break that thing loose. Oh. Okay. Sounds like it has compression. Kickstarter works. This guy move? Oh yeah, we can shift. Well, let's see if we get a spark. I wonder what our chances are of that. Hey, this is nice. This looks like something I would have built. Well, I don't know if it just sat over winter and got a little moisture in there and seized everything up. I think I'll just keep spraying some oil down here and turn it over a few times and get the rings all loosened up. Now, where do we got ground here? Probably right there. Holy cow, we got spark. We got a lot of spark.
Really?
Yeah. How in the heck did we luck out like that? Am I seeing things?
Amazing.
I am impressed. All kinds of sparky. Well, I think I'm gonna pull the carb off, rebuild that really quick without a rebuild kit, clean it up, I guess, with some carb cleaner, throw some gas at this thing, and let's see if this fires. Oh my, it's exciting. That is just lovely. All right. Yeah, this float's junk. Well, everything cleaned up really nicely, but I've got one problem. The needle is seized in here pretty darn good, and it's snapped off and all corroded. So I don't think we're going to be able to get the thing running today with this carburetor. Yeah, I don't have the parts here. I'm going to quit monkeying with it. And I think for today, we'll use this carburetor and see if we can get it running. Hey, would you mind giving this thing a kick? Well, what for now? Yeah, must have got compression. Hey, it worked. We got, okay, I think we got a runner here.
Let's do it again.
You do it again?
Do it again.
Need a break? Need a break?
No. It's hard to get compression.
Yeah, good. That's good.
If it starts like that, start spraying like crazy.
Okay. Well, I'll take it down the road, and if you can do this really fast, yeah, should be able to get it up about 45 miles an hour.
I think I can run fast now.
Okay.
It'll run.
Oh, it's gonna run. Okay, I'm getting on eBay. We're getting the carburetor. Well, what did we find out? We found out that it's going to run. Unfortunately, I don't do enough work with these two-stroke larger motors, so I don't have a decent carb to get this thing running any more than what we did with the spray bottle today. But I think I've got a restorable unit here. The frame is all nice and solid. Rims are in good shape. This fender's fantastic. But I know a few weeks back I put out a poll asking if people wanted me to restore a 250R or an XR75 or a couple other things, and everybody voted on a 250R. So I'm thinking I might proceed with this thing. What do you think? Leave me a comment below if I should go any further with this. If you'd like to see this guy, let me know below and we'll get building on it. As soon as I get done recording here, I'll get on eBay, order myself a carburetor, and see if we can get a chain put on this guy as soon as the carburetor comes in, take it for a spin and see if it shifts. And if it runs and shifts, I think it's a go. So yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to see this guy come to life. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some more three-wheeler videos, click the video on the left, or you can check out last week's video by clicking the video on the right. And I'll see you next time.